Hello friends, now I will show you how to replace the battery on UPS Eaton, and the model is 5E650 Eaton. So turn it around. Here we have 4 screws to be unscrewed. Second, third, and the last one. Again, turn it around, lift up the upper cover, disconnect the connectors from the battery. Now to release the battery, we need to unscrew these 2 screws. First one. And the second one. Lift the battery out. Then take the new battery and in a reverse order, place the battery, place this plastic part, screw back its screws, connect the connectors on the battery, put back the upper cover, rotate it, and screw the 4 screws on the bottom, and that's it. Thank you very much. Good luck.